Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. Let's create this beautiful tray that will add a dazzle to your dressing room. So let's begin. I have mixed my resin and hardener in 3:1 ratio. After mixing, I have set the resin aside to release the bubbles. In the meantime, I'll prepare for the next step. Since I'm going to use 3 different products in this tray, I am dividing the resin into equal parts. In the first container, I'm adding a few drops of turquoise color and some blue sparkle. In the second container, I am adding white pearl mica powder, which will give a nice shimmery effect to the tray. For the third container, I'll try to keep the resin clear, but I'm also going to add some golden sparkle, and later on I'm also going to add some white flowers to it. Now let's get started with the mold. In the corners of the tray, I am putting in crushed glass, which is turquoise in color, and I'm carefully going to add it on all sides. I'm also going to add the white flowers now before pouring. Let's start pouring in the colors. We will begin by adding the blue color. I am randomly placing the colors together to blend them. First, I am starting with the blue on 2 opposite sides. Next, I am adding the white pearl mica powder mix. And in the center, I am going to put the clear resin with golden glitter and white flowers. I am giving a light swirl to all the colors so that they blend in together well. Let's leave this for at least 6 hours, and then I'll come back to pour the final layer on top. It's been 6 hours and the resin has started to harden. I am now going to mix some clear resin and add a spoonful of glitter to it for the final top layer. I'll ensure that all the flowers are inside the top layer and that it covers the entire mold completely. Again, tapping the bubbles out and popping them with the blowtorch. And after this, I am going to leave it to cure for at least 12 hours. It's demold time. All 3 shades have blended together very well. This is exactly the result I was expecting, and I'm very happy with the way the tray looks. You can decorate the tray any way you like and enjoy the glamorous addition to your home. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.